Today's topic is 5 branding tips for growing business. Brand awareness and business go hand in hand. It takes a lot of time, effort, patience, devotion, and hard work to grow a business. Well thought out and viable brand strategies can help a business grow successfully as they offer your business a distinct identity with the help of which you can increase your reach in the market. Here are some outstanding brand strategies that will assist you in accelerating your company's growth. Number 1. Create brand standards. Your brand must keep a consistent appearance to leave a long-lasting impression on your customers. Creating an all-encompassing brand standard using your company's logo, colors, and typefaces as well as graphics, illustrations, and photographic techniques can help people associate your brand easily. You can take assistance from product packaging, television ads, or social media and also create a set of design standards that encompass the look and feel of your marketing assets. Number 2. Express the unique side of your business. The idea of what a company stands for is the first and most important branding strategy that any company should focus on. When you give your customers a selling point, they will understand why they choose your brand's product or services over those of your competitors. Determine what distinguishes your brand from the competition and emphasize this distinction with the aid of your company's logo, design, tagline, social media posts, and other marketing materials. Number 3. Awareness of your clients. If you want your products and services to appeal to your clients, it is pertinent that you approach them from their point of view. For this, you need to keep several factors in mind like your customers' goals, habits, issues, requirements, and other important factors. Analyzing these facts can help you get a better understanding of your actual clients and have a good impact on your company's success. Number 4. Customer involvement in brand awareness and recognition. To keep your clients interested in social media, you must post new content regularly. However, this might be a difficult task at times. Involving your clients in the creation of content for your business is a creative and effective approach to accomplish this. You can encourage customers to post testimonials for your products. This strategy is akin to word-of-mouth marketing. You may also give people the option of sharing photos and videos of your products, as these will assist prospective purchasers in gaining a comprehensive understanding of your products. Number 5. Recognize and reward customers. Customers' retention is one of the most important components in growing and expanding your business. A customer's perception of trust in a brand can aid in the expansion of a company. For this, it is extremely necessary to keep strong communication with your clients. Conducting customer satisfaction surveys, instructive emails and messaging during discounts, providing early access to the latest releases, and creating loyalty programs for devoted customers through apps or other media are other ways to grow your customer loyalty base. Brand strategies are critical for any organization, whether large or small. Using these excellent branding tactics can help your business expand in a variety of ways. It also helps build a community for your business that can aid in its growth and success. Technogleam utilizes all these strategies to increase your brand awareness in no time. So hurry up and connect with us today for a prosperous business.